What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing the veggie spaghetti. Instead of using like tomato paste, I'm gonna do it with this bad boy right here, plum sauce. So y'all stay tuned, stay locked in, and I'm gonna take y'all through the steps of everything that I'm doing. Alright, so I found some Hidden Veggie Thin Spaghetti Noodles at the Harris Teeter. Rocking with this right here. Also gonna put some spinach up in there. I'm gonna season it with these joints right here. Got the complete seasoning, oregano, of course the good black pepper. I chopped up some mushrooms, red peppers, yellow onions, and I got some sliced garlic. I'm gonna saute that on the pan, and we're gonna get straight to it. Alright, so I just dropped some oil in my pan. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saute the onions, the peppers, the mushrooms and stuff. You know, give it like that golden brown kind of color. And then we're gonna mix everything in. I got my noodles in this pot right here, already drained the water out of them and everything. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna drop my garlic down in the pan. I'm gonna drop my onions. Red peppers. Mushrooms. Right there. We'll be right back in 1 second. Oh man, I wish y'all could smell it right now. Man, with that combination of the mushrooms, the red peppers, yellow onions, and the garlic, man, this is, man, smelling too good, too good. All right, these joints about ready. About to combine them in the pot with the noodles. Now I'm going to add the plum sauce. Alright, now I'm going to apply my seasonings. Pepper. Okay, so real quick, if you're wondering why I'm using plum sauce instead of the tomato sauce, well, for one good reason is because from doing a little research online, I seen that the tomato sauce and tomatoes period are high in acid. So and I'm trying to clean my body up, you know what I mean? So eat clean, things like that, like I told you in the last video. So I was looking online for like what's a good substitute for tomato sauce, and plum sauce popped up. So I said, that's I wonder how this gonna work. So it's an experiment. I taste a little bit of the plum sauce, and it is pretty good, sweet. But I added the seasonings and things like that to kind of give it a little tang with it, so it can cut some of the sweetness, so it won't taste like this. How I don't know if you ever had spaghetti and you put a little sugar in it. Well, that's how I used to eat it when I was little, but it's kind of like that. So I put a good amount of seasoning in there, so you kind of blend the tangy with the sweet, kind of give it that mixture, that perfect blend. But y'all stay tuned. I'm about to warm up this spinach, and we're gonna combine it with the spaghetti. Get with y'all in a minute. Spinach. Now we don't need to cook the spinach too long. but just enough. Now it's time to incorporate the spinach. Now I just taste a little sample of the spaghetti, and I can't lie, not just because I cooked it, it is pretty good. With the blend with the seasonings and that plum sauce, and then just the variations of vegetables like the spinach, the peppers, onions, and the fresh garlic. And I did add a tad bit, well, not a tad bit, I did add some garlic powder in there, just to, help cut some of that sweetness out of it. So like I said, I want to keep it an even blend. But now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a salad because, I'm going to have some spaghetti and a salad on the side. Like I say, this is another day of clean eating, so, stay locked in. And that is the salad, ladies and gentlemen. They got romaine lettuce. I've used the rest of that spinach as well. We got the feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and avocados. This is the finishing touches. It's the veggie spaghetti and salad. I used that Greek dressing on that thing. Let's try it out. Alright, so I'm about to try it out, y'all. Oh yeah. I like the blend of everything. It's hitting. And I also added some crushed red peppers in the mixture. Like I said, it's complementing the sweetness of the plum sauce. You can taste the flavors of everything, the garlic, the onions, and the peppers, and that spinach. Oh man. Veggie spaghetti. I'm giving this joint 8.5. Not bad for my first time, 8.5. Yes, sir. If you're enjoying this content and want to see other different experimental recipes, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be doing a lot more of these experimental meals and stuff like that. Like I say, I'm on the road to eating clean. This is day 2. A lot more content coming, so I'll get with y'all in the next video.